Hello, so in this video we will be learning about these 6 topics in string, and we will be starting from the very basic of the strings. So let's begin. What is string? So let's say here this is an example of a string. Okay, you may see this is from I to H. It's a string. Okay, including this space. It will include number, that is digits, special case, character. So all these combined called a string. So this is string. Now how to take input of the string? So let's say I'll connect these two. So it's a data type. So string str. So we have initialized a string of str name. Now how will we take input? So the one way is to use cin, but then uh, the output will be im. Okay, here you can see the output is im because this is the one way, but through this way we cannot take this space. Okay, so if we remove all the space from here, then it will take all the values from I to H. Okay, so now how to take these values with name? Okay, so not seen. Now what we write is get line, then seen, and the name of the string. So here it is str. Okay, now run the code. So here you can see that the input is I am Nikhil Prakash. Okay, and in this way we can take a special case, not but the space here. So this is the way we take input. Now output, as you can see here, we can just simply output the string. Okay, so this is the way to output the string. Okay, now strings can be added like string s1 is equal to say abc, string s2 is equal to def. Now how will we concatenate these both strings? So you can simply change the s1 also. S1 is equal to s1 plus s2. Now print s1. So here you can see the strings are added now, and we have replaced the value of abc from s1 to abc plus def. Okay, now what is string? Okay, this is something important, and you can solve sometimes the questions very easily using this, but you have to remember this because these are not used always, so you will forget this how to use string. So now let's say string. Okay, now take a string str. Okay, now what does string do? So let's say we have the input like this using space, and now the question is asking you say to count the words in your passage. So here string is a passage, let's say, and you have to count the words, or you have to count the frequency of the word used. Like here the frequency of all the words are 1. Okay, so but in a long passage there may be many I, am, and all different kind of words. Okay, so the question will be asked to print the output, the frequency of the names or any word. Okay, so then you have to divide all the, means you have to save all the words different way in a vector or anything or map. Okay, so in this situation we can use string using. It simply divides each and every words. Okay, so in any question, if you are thinking of dividing the words in the passage will solve your problem, then you can use a string. So here string, let's say, okay, no problem. So we write while, so string, so here we write the string ss, and this will be the string, and here in a bracket we will write the string. So here str will be our string, that is the input. I am in this one. So now we will take a string. Now what we will do, while ss, okay, and then this, you will have to remember the sign, okay, and here you will write the s, okay, in which you want to store the data. Now you can do anything, like you will have all the words in s, so you can print also. uh, so here you can see amnesia plus. So for difference, let's say this, okay, so you can see here we have divided all the words in s. Now if someone asks you what is the number of words in your passage, so simply you have to do cn count 0, okay. Here simply you just do cnt plus plus and print the cnt value. So here you may see it is 4. Now let's say you want to count the frequency, okay, so let's say I and m. So here 3, okay. So you have to do just take a map, okay. So now the first one is a string, okay, and the frequency will be integer type, okay, let's say mp. Now you just have to mp of s plus plus, okay, in order to do this. Now you have to print the map. So for a, the name of the map mp, okay. Now cout a dot first a dot, so here you can see the frequency of all the words. So here you can so this is a question, it was asked in some questions in company also in this year only. So in this way you can use string, okay. You just learn what you can do with string, the question will solve later. So now stoi, okay. So string to integer, let's say you have given a string value or integer value, and then you have to use it. So sometimes let's say you have the limit of integer is 10 to 18, means it will contain 10 characters. Now the question will ask you to add a integer of length 30, okay. So let's say any value which are not possible in C++ of any programming language, then you will have to convert the integer into a string, and then using the if else conditions, let's say if it has a carry, then you can add in the left also if you are traversing from the right. So there are ways. So in those situations we use stoi. So here you can see I have written this, let's say integer my int 1, okay, string 1. So now let's say str1, okay. Now let's set some value. So here stoi is just stl in C++, and here you may see that the strings are converted into integer. You may do this like cout into 5, and you can see it will work now, okay. So here this is the way to convert the string into integer. Now you can also convert the integer into a string. So how will you do that? Okay, so let's say string 1 will be the input. Okay, and here it will be an integer now. Okay, so now how will you convert the integer into a string? So let's say string str. Okay, and then str is equal to, this is the way, okay, to string and then bracket and here you have to write str1. So now the integer has been converted into a string and stored in str. Okay, now you may print this. Okay, c out s, you have stored in str, no? Str. So here you can see these values, and how to prove, just print the first digit. Okay, so here it will print 1. Okay, what is string? It is combination of many characters. Okay, so yeah, here you have 5 digits, digit having 5 characters. Okay, so you can print any of the values using the array conditions, like 0 will be contain 1 first digit and it will up to the 4 digit. Okay, and like how will you iterate? Okay, so let's say I'll start for int I is equal to 0, I is less than, I is not equal to 5. Okay, this is called 5 I plus plus. I is value is str, no? Yeah. Okay, so here the input will be in a string and this is the input, and then you can print. Okay, so 5 is written as this. In single quotes we will use the slash and then 0. Okay, so when we use a string, okay, by default the last character will be 5. Okay, so to find out the last character you may use this str I is not equal to 5 and then you may print this, so you may see the values. You may do this in this also, so you can see we can display this one by one also. So these are all the basic things you will be required while solving the questions on a string. And rest, there are many questions and strings are important in companies, especially the mid-range companies. All the mid-range companies focus on strings. Basically they will ask this stoi to implement. So how can you implement? Like you have a string. Okay, so you may convert this by using into 10 and into 100 into 1000 like this, and you can print the integer. So these are the shortcuts you will use, but if someone asks you how to implement, you may implement it also using some logical things. So rest we will discuss in questions. So that's all about the strings.